So here's a really nice way of spotting a fairly recent invasive plant species. Here's some Chinese privet right here. Chinese European, I can't really tell, but I'm pretty sure it's Chinese privet. Fairly recent invasive species around here. You never see berry bunches like that last the winter, unless the native birds very clearly do not trust it as a food source. Now, these berries are toxic. I don't know how much to birds, but if the native species can eat it, eventually they'll learn. But in the case of new and toxic plants, the birds will be wary. They might try a little bit, but oftentimes the bunches will be left as is. That's not to say that even native species will be picked clean, but this is more a case of spoilage. Animals don't want to eat something that might make them sick, and they'll pick and choose. Relative to that native plant, this bunch of fruit looks absolutely pristine, but it's been passed up the entire winter, which tells you that the native birds and other fruit-eating animals simply don't know what this is and aren't sure if they can eat it or not. And likely the ones that did try it got a little ill and decided not to eat any more, which further reinforces the fact that this is invasive. If it was native, even if it's poisonous, there's almost always something around that tolerates the poison. Now, of course, this is a big blanket statement, and I'm sure there are exceptions to this rule, but this does help in identifying possible new invasive species. I'll do a video on this invasive species at some point soon. And also, before I leave, no, you can't eat those berries. They are toxic to humans as far as I understand. Anyway, that's about it for today. I am so glad the snow's about to be gone. And as always, I hope you learned something, and I wish you the best. Till next time.